orange competition goes to Mr. P.H. Benjamin of Khong Sang Village, Nungba Block, None District, stole number 113 with a cash prize of 75,000 rupees. Mr. P.H. Benjamin nang bam lau khuan ti thai mi tung stage ko kolungwong lo pudiu khong jang hoi ye Khong Sang Khawrai Gwang Mai stole number 113 phai khat na ru na ko thum kho dung mai. Third position ko cash prize of 75,000 rupees. The second position that belongs to Mr. Hau Tau Lung Pa Mai of Dai Long Village with stole number 220 with a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. Kamai ron cash prize on a 1 lakh phang me. And for the first position from Thingau Village, Mr. Hunga Mangang Mai from stole number 125. A round of applause, everyone. One huge in the local. Mr. Hunga Mangang Mai, None District, Thingau Village, Karagong Mai, stole number 125. Kamai ron Kumlo ko thuang me ko first position lo lena cash prize tiko lak nai phang punithe.